Maybe the number one question I get asked from Wayfair suppliers is that, why is my product not on the first page? It really belongs there. Hi, I'm Josh Roberts. I'm one of the co-founders of RSG Sales, and we are an e-commerce sales consulting firm, and we coach our clients and help them grow their business with Wayfair, Overstock, Walmart, Lowe's, and Home Depot. So every supplier wants to get their products on the first page at Wayfair, and rightfully so. 80% of the sales for any given category takes place on that first page. So there's a number of different ways to get there, both organically and with promotional tactics that you can do to get your products to the first page. So let's talk about the Wayfair Sponsored Search Program, or pay-per-click. Wayfair's pay-per-click program is a great way to get your products on the first page for a short period of time. Basically, it works like any other pay-per-click models. You set up a campaign, you set up a budget, you set up a daily budget, and you'll be giving guidance in terms of how much you want to bid to get that click. So if you go to any category page, you'll see where it says sponsored search ads underneath. Wayfair will provide anywhere from 4 to 6 slots on that first page. Of course, you have to win the bid, and then your products need to get clicks and conversion. And once Wayfair starts seeing that, then you'll get even better placement long term. So if you look at it strategically, it's a very good tool to utilize to help your products get to that first page and stay there. So we'd love to talk with you about your business and explore opportunities of how we can help you take your sales to the next level. So the first step is simply just to schedule a call. You can go to the link below. Please answer a few questions. That'll give us a little more info about you so we can map out a strategy to maximize that call. And we look forward to talking to you and going over next steps.